Okay, this is part 2 of the video that I just started about fixing this chip combination brake. And as you can tell, my light is solid now. And it's ready to be pulled off and prepare the brake to be, or the pit to be cured. Okay, now I've pulled the injector off. I put a drop of pit resin on the pit, and now it is in. Now I am curing this. I'm going to be curing it with the same UV lamp that I cured the chip with. Sorry folks, I'm not three-handed, so sorry about all the stopping and starting. Second part of the video. But so basically we do the same process as we cured the chip with to cure the pit. I'm going to use the lamp, set it right up over the chip, and we'll start to cure. So now that my resin is cured on the pit, I am going to pull off my tab, and we'll be scraping that off next. Okay, so I always use a fresh razor blade to do this process here. Okay, as you can see here, we have what's left of the pit, but it's flush to the glass, so windshield wipers don't catch on the pit area. So my next step is to polish that out. Alright, to polish that out, I'll use a drop of pit polish, apply it straight to the pit, and rub it back and forth with a cork until it has a shiny appearance. I think we're there. Take a towel, buff it out. And right there was where your chip was. Okay, if I can help you out with any glass repair needs, please call CE Rock Chip Repair, 505-322-5149. Thank you.